Other practitioners and advocates see zero waste also as a philosophy, a way of life, a goal, and a plan of action that aims to maximize recycling, minimize waste, reduce consumption, and ensures that products are made to be reused, repaired, or recycled back into nature or the marketplace. Zero waste strategies include reuse, repair, recycling, composting and biodigesting, citizens' participation and workers and waste workers' rights, extended producers' responsibility, supportive policies, and a ban on waste incineration. So as you can see, a genuinely zero waste program for the barangays and the city excludes the use of incineration technologies such as pyrolysis, gasification, and waste to energy. If we forgo incineration, and we should, because it is also financially costly, how are we going to manage the increasing volume of waste of our growing city? I say, we zero waste advocates say, let's go zero waste full blast. The United Nations Environment Program, in their report, Green Economy Report in 2011, identified 5 major waste management strategies and arranged this with prevention as the most preferred and disposal as the least preferred. Clearly, we need to devote less energy and resources to waste disposal and allocate more to systems, designs, and technologies that would improve prevention, reduction, recycling, and recovery. There should be decentralized waste management. The rest, which are non-recyclables, are the obligations of the city.